Hi there, welcome to my channel. So today I want us to do a very quick unboxing of the new iPhone, the biggest one, which is the Pro Max. So this one, according to Apple, has improved speed, it has a long-lasting battery, and it also have a very good camera compared to the 12 Pro Max, and also even Apple claims that it's better than the other competitors. I guess it's Samsung S21 Ultra that they were referring to. So I got the Pro Max here. I ordered on Amazon. It says 6 weeks, and within 5 days I got it for some reason. I got the 120 gig Graphite Colour. And for the Pro Max, I guess they have about 4 different colors. They have what they call Sierra Blue, they have the silver, they have the gold color, and this one. I guess the choice, the color choice is dependent on what you like. For me, I chose the Graphite because it looks similar to my MacBook Pro, and also to my iPad Pro. That's why I chose this color. So this is the 13 Max Pro 120 gig graphite color. So according to Apple, they want to be more environmentally friendly. So this time they did not use any plastic to cover the case, the phone itself and the box, as we've seen previously. So all that they've done is it's just pure wooden box, and all you do is you peel these ones here. They've shown an arrow here. You just hold that and then you peel it. Okay, and there's one also at the bottom here that you do the same, more or less. You peel it. Okay, and then that's really, yeah. That's the phone. I like this color a lot. As I said, it's quite similar to my, what do you call it, my iPad Pro and my MacBook Pro. It's quite a beautiful color. As you can see, the phone is really, really beautiful. Okay. So before we go ahead, obviously you can see the phone, how they've done the cutouts in the boxes and everything. As usual, you do not have a charger. They only put a cable in there for you. But luckily for me, I already have my iPad adapter, 20-watt adapter, which will go with this. So all I have to do is to plug the USB-C part of the cable into this, and then I can actually charge my iPhone, so I don't need to buy any new one. However, if you need to buy a new one, I believe Apple sells this one in the UK for £19. However, if you go on Amazon's website, it's a bit cheaper. You can actually get it cheaper, so there's no point. I think you can get between 15 and 17 quid. So that's quite a good way to go. The phone itself is, as usual, big, it's shiny. Look on the side, it's quite very, very nice. It looks like it's really, really well built, right? And then, yeah, the cameras are a bit, I think they move them to different positions quite a bit. Okay, so I think it looks really, really nice. It looks really, really, really gorgeous. I think I really, really like this one. So all you do is you hold that and then you peel this, okay? The screen is really, really beautiful. As you can see, the notch is more or less 20% smaller compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max and its predecessors. So Apple has improved that a bit. I guess they have their 5G antennas on the side, the SIM tray, the volumes are all in there. Yeah, it looks really, really solid. It's a bit heavy though. As I said, I'm going to put more or less a case on this. I also put a screen protector on this. right? And then to make sure like it's well protected and it's really, really beautiful. And you can actually, so that's how more or less turning it on. I won't do the setup today. This is just a quick one for you to know what's really in the box. As I said, I also got a MagSafe charger here. I have a stand for MagSafe charger. So what I'll do is I will set that one up as well at some point, and then I will show you. I will do the proper setup. By the way, how to set this up. As I said, I'm on Android. I need to transfer all my apps and everything here. So when I'm doing that, I will show that as well in a similar other video. So please watch out for that video. That's it really. I won't go further with this. I said I will set it up, and later and I will show everything in the next video. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and then just stay tuned for more. Bye bye.